इस साल के जेई मेंस में कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के जितने भी क्वेश्चन आए थे उनमें से ये वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन हो सकता है आपके लिए। क्वेश्चन में समीशन z टू द पावर 8 वेयर z बिलोंग्स टू यस निकालना है। सो लुक एट दिस सेट यस। सेट इज z बिलोंग्स टू c मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर and quadratic equation is z square plus under root 6i into z minus 3 equals 0. Instead, finding out root of this quadratic equation z1 and z2, I would like to find out z to the power 8. So, take z square minus 3 together. Z square minus 3 equals to minus under root 6iz. Now, take square root from both sides. We will get z to the power 4 minus 6z square plus 9 equals minus 1 square 1 and under root 6 square is 6 and I square minus 1 and z square is z square. So look at from left and right side we get same term. So on adding it will be 0. So z to the power 4 plus 9 is equals to 0 and z to the power 4 is equals to minus 9. Now to find out z to the power 8, we just have to take square. So z to the power 4, sorry, z to the power 8 is equals to minus 9 square is 81. And this z is, this quadratic, z is from quadratic equation. So 8 power of both the roots of this quadratic equation is 81. Both the roots z1 and z2 is 81. Now look at summation. Summation z to the power z belongs to yes and z to the power 8 is equals to z1 plus z2, sorry, z1 to the power 8 plus z to the power 8 is equals to 81, and for z to the power 8 plus 81, which will be equals to 81 plus 81 is 162. This is our final answer.